Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's session it's actually jam-packed with step-by-step tips and tricks on creating content that actually grows your brand. I know, content creation can feel like throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something sticks. But what if you had a proven recipe for success? In the next 8 to 10 minutes, I will dish out secrets to crafting engaging content that resonates, building a loyal audience that converts, and measuring success beyond just likes and shares. And of course, we will have some fun along the way because learning should be entertaining, right? By the end of this video, you will have step-by-step guide to create content that drives real results, boost your brand's visibility, and turn followers into paying customers. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's dive in.
Like and subscribe.
I don't know what your New Year resolutions are, but I know that if you dedicate your time and effort into learning these skills, I mean, 2 hours of your time every day for the next 7 days, I guarantee you will make money in 2025, irrespective of your industry. All you have to do is turn your passion or expertise into profit just by leveraging the power of AI to build and monetize a successful faceless YouTube channel. In my course, Creating and Monetizing a Faceless YouTube Channel, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create high quality content effortlessly, proven methods to grow your channel for free, and monetize with affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and more. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just get ready to transform your creativity into a revenue stream. Enroll now and start your faceless empire. Special discount for my subscribers. The link is on the description. Okay, so firstly, why does engagement beat followers count? Let's get real. Followers count is just a vanity metric. It's like having a huge party, but nobody's dancing. What matters is engagement. Think of it like a relationship. Followers are like casual dates. Engagement is like a long term commitment. You want people to care about your content, not just swipe past it. We've all seen those accounts with tons of followers, but how many of those followers are actually paying customers? Spoiler alert, not many. What you really need is engagement. High engagement means people actually care about your content, and that's where the magic happens. More engagement leads to brand loyalty, and loyal fans are the ones who buy, return, and spread the word. Don't chase empty numbers. Focus on sparking meaningful conversations. Don't sweat the numbers. Focus on creating engaging content, get reactions, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Secondly, strategy. Creating consistent, engaging content. This is one of the not so secret of success. Consistency. Regular content keeps your brand top of mind. So, if you are inconsistent, people simply forget you. But I get it. It is easy to feel overwhelmed trying to keep up with all the posts, videos, stories, and tweets. Let's think of it like dating. If you are only reaching out once a month, that relationship is going nowhere. Regular content keeps your brand top of mind. So don't let the spark fade. The trick here is to develop a strategy. Start with clear goals. Ask yourself, what do I want my content to accomplish? Is it to educate, to entertain, or to inspire? In short, let me ask you directly, what do you want your content to accomplish? Let me know in the comment section. Because by knowing your purpose, you can then create a content calendar that keeps you on track without driving you to content overload. Keep it clear, keep it simple, and above all, keep showing up. Content creation is a marathon, not a sprint. Plan ahead. Use a content calendar to organize your ideas, schedule your posts, and your track performance. Remember, consistency breeds loyalty. Your audience will thank you for showing up regularly. So, what's your content strategy? Thirdly, understanding your audience. This is one of the biggest keys to a successful content. Knowing exactly who you are creating for. Deeply understanding your target audience means you can create content that speaks directly to their needs, values, and desires. And maybe most importantly, what problem are they hoping you can solve? Who are they? What are they interested in? When you know your audience, you can speak their language, which makes your content feel relatable and makes your brand unforgettable. And on number four, the power of storytelling in branding. People love stories. It is just human nature. Incorporating storytelling in your branding makes you more relatable and memorable. You have to think about it. We remember great stories, not some dry sales pitches. So, share your journey, your struggles, your wins, and your mission. When people feel like they know you, they trust you. And when they trust you, they buy from you. So, think about your brand story and find ways to incorporate it into your content. Content planning may not be the most glamorous part of branding, but it is very essential. By creating a content calendar, you set yourself up for consistent quality posts without the last minute scramble. And number five, content planning and calendar creation. With a calendar, you can plan ahead for big events, create seasonal content, and make sure you never miss an opportunity to engage your audience. Six, repurposing content. This one is a golden rule for all you busy entrepreneurs. Don't let good content go to waste. Repurposing content allows you to expand your reach without reinventing your wheel every time. Smart repurposing lets you work smarter, not harder. Taking one idea and spreading it across multiple platforms. And that brings me to the last on my list, number seven, collaborations, working with a team. Nobody said you have to do this alone. Collaborating with a team, even if it's just one or two people, can take a huge load off your shoulders. From content creation to idea generation, having a team or a network of collaborators multiplies your resources and can lead to innovative content ideas that drives growth. And there you have it, a full strategy for creating content that doesn't just grow your follower count but grows your brand. Remember, this is about engaging the right audience, telling your story, and delivering consistent, quality content with a clear purpose. Oh, and don't forget to have a little fun with it. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button. Do well to share it with your fellow entrepreneurs and subscribe for more tips to boost your brand. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.